100 subscribers. Man, that's honestly crazy to say out loud. 100 of you, 100 people who showed up, watched, and kept me going. To everybody who watched the video, dropped a comment, shared the channel, or just vibed with the journey. Mahalo. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. From a guy that just wanted to share the beauty of his home and all the aloha that lies within it. And we're only getting started. Because around here, it's always Ono. Today's flight is just another chill flight, shot with my Mini 5 Pro. Thankfully, both days that were shot were absolutely beautiful. First shot is in Kailua-Kona, along the shoreline and a little bit of a Li'i Drive in Kailua-Kona town. Next location is the Pali Kapu O Keōua. I recently did a DJI Avata 2 FPV video on those very same cliffs. This is just a new perspective on it. Video will be linked. Check it out. Anyway, thank you everybody again. And on with the show. You know, it's always Ono.